It's the first tornado setup of the year. Every storm chaser in the country is out here. My birthday is in a few days, and there's only one thing I want. If we can get a tornado today, it'll be the best birthday I've ever had. So that's our goal. And if this storm does what we think it's about to do, we will get this tornado.
Look, guys, this is what we're going for, this storm right here. And everyone is shooting north right now on that road. Look at that. Trying to go up here to Newton. This right here could be actually the first tornado warned storm.
We got to get to Newton fast.
That storm just went severe thunderstorm warned and does look like it's rotating. Any minute now, it could be tornado warned. So we're going to start heading north, get to Newton, and let's get this tornado on camera.
Tornado on camera coming soon. It's about to go down.
Okay, Alex just texted me again, and he said, called it, go fast, tornado warning.
Oh, it's got a tornado warning on it.
We have got to go. This is just the first of many tornado warned storms that we're gonna have tonight.
Drive, Chad, drive. We gotta go.
I gotta get past this traffic, but once we get on this clear open road, we gonna drive, baby. We get NASCAR Chad activated.
Woo! Come on, Chad the NASCAR driver.
Look at this, Matt. That's us. That's the tornado warned storm. We are about to be directly in its path.
Oh my.
So pretty much the storm is coming in that way. We're gonna find a northeast option. So whenever we get up here, we might come over here to this road and head north towards Yale and Casey, just depending on where the storm goes, or we might go right up that way. Our main goal is to put ourselves directly in the path of where we can see the tornado drop, and we're currently heading there in a hurry.
There's a what?
Alex just texted, said there is a brief tornado on the ground right now.
Wow. How far are we?
A few minutes.
We're not far. We're going to pull up on this thing. Tornado on the ground, and we're headed right to it. Let's go.
Let's go.
Take us there, Chad.
We going, baby. We going.
Updated tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 for south tornado and ping pong sized hail. Radar indicated rotation.
Dispatch notifying everybody that there is a tornado warning for Mason. There is a tornado on the ground. Look at that.
Oh, really? Look at that, guys.
Looking at that, that is definitely a beast that is developing right now.
A beast of a tornado developing, and we are coming up right on it.
We need to get to Wheeler. And then
We're 22 minutes from Wheeler.
Guys, what you're looking at right there is the wall cloud, and it's heading right towards us.
made a boo-boo. Made a boo-boo.
So Chad did in fact make a boo-boo. He accidentally drove on the shoulder of the road in a school zone, and there was a very unhappy cop waiting for us at the front of the line.
Uh-oh.
Chad's just gonna... Oh, they mad at you, Chad. He mad at you.
So he made us wait until every car in the entire city passed us. And then he yelled at Chad.
All right, and now we're off.
That's funny.
You can see up there, look how dark that storm is up there, guys.
Yeah, it is.
That put us behind the storm, but there's no time to waste. We have to keep moving forward.
All right, Alex just texted me and said once we intercept this tornado, there is another one coming up behind it right here at this Bible Grove town. This supercell right here is going to come right at us behind this tornado, and that one could also produce a tornado.
Look how low that is to the ground.
Oh, yeah, look in front of us.
Guys, that right there is the storm we are headed to that has the tornado that keeps dropping and lifting. Nick Gorman just sent this picture. That's where they're at.
Yeah, we're coming up on that.
That's cool. That's we're about to have a good view once we get ahead. They're up there ahead of this train. Once that train, we're past it, it's gonna be beautiful.
All right, the train is out of the way.
As we are coming up behind the storm, we could see the circulation tightening, getting ready to drop another tornado. And minutes later, a funnel forms, but it struggles to condense, so we pull over to take a look.
We just pulled up and stopped, guys. We're gonna get out real quick and take a better look at this storm. Oh, look at that. Look at this, y'all. Nick, look at that, bro.
Might get a
Hey, we might get a tornado right here. This is close to us, right on top of us.
Why don't we start heading east again and get ahead of it? Yeah. It's already on us.
Yeah, look up.
Yeah, let's go.
We might need to go then. We're gonna go because the chasers are coming.
All right, boys, we'll see y'all there.
Can you unlock it, Chad?
We have to leave now. 50 plus chasers are on our road headed this way. We don't want to get stuck behind them.
All right, yeah, now's the time. I'm back up right.
Yeah, you got it. Go, 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 go. No, we got Nick right here.
Nice.
Good stuff, guys.
We almost got stuck.
Look
almost got stuck.
Guys, rotation right here
Yep.
in front of us.
Yep, rotation right there.
This right here is moving, so we got to keep on going and follow it. Woo! Look at my hair. Our wind got it going crazy. Not yet. The thing is following us. Wow, guys, that thing is right on our tail.
Let's go, boys.
It feels like we're being chased by this tornado, Mark. It feels like we're being chased.
Actually, we kind of are right now.
Yeah, we really are. If this thing dropped, we'd see it right behind us.
Look at that. That blue dot is us. Where that hook is, that's possibly the tornado right there.
That's literally what
Almost
I
on
just
top of
said, guys. Literally what I just said. You're looking at it. It could drop right there. You can see the rotation clearly. That car that's behind us is in a dicey spot. It's gonna drop right in here. Calling Nick. He's up ahead of us.
What's up, bro? We're going to Hunt City.
Hunt City. Okay, it's just straight, right?
It should be just a straight shot. I don't want to head to Rose Hill because it's literally just about on top of it already. So I'm just going to start heading a little bit farther east.
Yeah, so go towards Hunt City.
Yeah.
Alright.
All right, you boys be safe. Oh,
Tornado warning.
It should be just inside of it then.
Tornado warning.
tornado warning. All right, boys.
Let's wrangle this NATO.
Let's wrangle the NATO.
Let's wrangle it. Wrangle the NATO.
We'll see you boys in the NATO.
See ya.
All right, bye. We are trying to get ahead of it, and this thing is just relentless. It is on top of us pretty much. But we are heading in a good position. When she drops a tornado, we are going to have a front row seat.
We can run past those clouds.
Got it, man?
Yeah. Scott's standing out in his yard looking at the storm. We're about to turn right here
Yep.
and then gun it.
Yep, we have got to book it.
We could see this tornado any second.
It honestly could be right on top of us, to be honest.
We are desperately trying to get ahead of this storm, but it's moving fast, and the terrible road network in this area is making it impossible to get to the position we need, but we aren't giving up.
Guys, we're going up a
man.
hill. Oh, wow.
Make way for the NATO gang.
NATO gang coming through, taking you to the NATO. It's about to go down. Subscribe. Yeah, look at that. Look at that hook. That looks mean. Looks good,
If I was
doesn't it?
looking at radar, I would say that is a tornado.
Yeah, soon could be.
The yellow, that's severe thunderstorm warning. All of them, they're all probably going to start turning red.
Yeah. Oh, got a tornado warning. Yep.
Tornado warning.
Yep.
Extreme urgency. That's doo.
I smell cow manure.
That is a doo-doo.
Cows!
Cows!
Cows! And a horse!
Pony!
Get out of the way, cows! There's a tornado coming!
Out of the way!
Get out of the way!
Do you think they heard you?
I think they heard me. We're good.
Okay, we're
good.
They're running. They're running. We're
We'll
good.
let more know later.
After we let the cows know to get out of the way, we continued on trying to catch up with this storm, which was quickly getting away from us.
Tornado warning!
Yep.
You just got tornado warned.
Look at that right there, guys. Tornado warning.
Man.
And we're headed there.
This is going to be the one.
Yep.
This is going to be the one. We have an observed tornado on our storm.
Observed tornado.
Observed. National Weather Service just said there is a damaging tornado on the ground right now.
Yo, what'd you say,
We may
Chad?
have to get into some hail and core punch this storm in order to get this tornado on camera.
Oh, it's about to get real, Mark.
Look at that.
It's about to get really real.
It's about to get real. We're about to core punch. And look at this, the double rainbow.
Rainbow.
Beautiful.
Look at the double rainbow! Look at this rainbow! We are about to go directly inside of this. Here we go!
Well, tornado warning.
We got a tornado warning.
Bro, it's about to go down.
It is.
We're inside.
Tornado for my birthday.
Look at all this hail.
Hell, oh! Look at all the hell on the ground.
Coming up on
Wow.
the door.
That is
Guys,
a lot of hail in a short amount of time.
the tornado's gonna be right over
It's
here.
literally going to be right there.
Yeah, look, guys, the tornado's gonna be right out here.
Hold on.
Look at all this hell.
That's not snow.
That is
That's
hell.
definitely not snow.
Right over
It's
here.
literally going to be right there.
Yeah, look, guys, the tornado's gonna be right out here. Look at all this hell on the ground.
Monster tornado. Right in there.
Yeah. And look, guys, that white right there, that's hell. That is the hell core.
On the ground, massive wedge right now on the ground. We're heading right towards it.
No, did the tornado come through here?
We got a lot of traffic.
There was damage.
Yeah, there's an emergency vehicle, guys. The tornado may have came through this way.
That ain't good.
Okay, yep, not good at all.
We just can't seem to catch up to this tornado, but it's my birthday, so we can't give up.
We're gonna be singing happy birthday here in just a minute once we get on that NATO.
That's
right
right.
Happy birthday to
Not yet, not yet.
Oh,
There.
I gotta get a tornado first.
We gotta get the NATO right in behind. That is a funnel coming down.
Got that, Mark?
Tornado.
That's
Funnel.
a tornado.
It's a
Look at that.
funnel.
We have a funnel coming down right there.
And just as we started losing hope, we see a funnel getting ready to drop. As soon as we got our excitement back, we hit a long line of chaser traffic, which put us too far behind the storm to be able to catch back up. But that's okay, at least I got to spend my birthday with my brother and friends. I got to see a funnel, and I also ended my birthday with a handful of hell. Thank you for watching, and also check out this video if you want to watch another storm chase.